We have a couple different options for some glute max isometrics, meaning that we are going to be contracting the big powerhouse glute max muscle in the back of the hip. First option, you are going to set up next to a wall. I want you to take a few steps out away from the wall so that when you put one leg on the wall, your legs are pretty even from side to side. There should be a 90-degree angle with your knee and your foot on the wall. Pelvis position, I want it to be even from the front, so try not to let this hip hike or this hip fall down. And I also want it to be neutral from front to back, meaning that I don't want there to be excessive arch in your back, and I also don't want you to tuck your tail underneath of you. In this good position, you're going to stabilize on the leg you're standing on, and then this leg, without moving your pelvic position, is going to be pushing back into the wall. You should feel this glute muscle in the back of your hip start to activate and have a little bit more awareness to it. This is an isometric exercise, meaning we are pushing and holding for anywhere from 10 to 45 seconds in order to either use the isometric to help decrease pain in the local area and or work on some isometric strength. Next option we have is going to be lying down on the ground on your back. Same things apply with the lower back position, not too arched, but not completely flattened down on the ground where your tailbone's tucked underneath of you. Nice little natural curvature of the lower back and the lumbar spine. Upper arms are going to be pushing into the ground, and essentially we're just going to be doing an isometric glute bridge, meaning that your shin should be perpendicular to the floor. We want to hold the top position, give a little squeeze to the glutes here, and then hold that from anywhere from 10 to 45 seconds, depending on what your body is going to let you tolerate, or if you're aiming for some isometric strength, you can maintain this position for upwards of a minute. If you want to spice things up just a little bit more and work on pelvic stability from side to side, you can always extend one leg here and hold that position. This is going to bring a lot more awareness to the hamstring and to the glute. In order to get a little less hamstring, if you're feeling that too much, is to scoot this heel in towards your glutes a little bit closer and hold that bridge position.